You can go first.
Okay. Don Loughmiller's the name, and been here all my life. So, started farming, well, probably as soon as I got out of high school, and then I was in the military for a while, and then come back to the farm from there. So,
I'm Dale Loughmiller. Worked on the farm as a kid, of course, and went to Purdue for 4 years, and worked off the farm for a while, and then come back. We had a dairy farm, milked cows, over 100 cows on the dairy farm for many years. Mom and Dad had started the farm, bought the farm there in 1950, and we've kept it going ever since, and we don't have anybody take it over now, so we got to have this sale. About the equipment, every morning before the combine went to work or the planter went to work, it was greased and looked over real close, and tried to do our best, to keep things up.
yeah, and everything's been shedded. Combine planter, all that's always, some of the older stuff was sitting outside, but anything that we basically used every day was always kept in the dry.
You can bid on the equipment on BigIron.com. I believe closing date's December 13th, and so you got plenty of time to get your bids in. And we sure appreciate your support on this.